Hi guys, I am Nihal S. Kulkarni from 8th semester Bhaskara section. Today my topic on technical seminar is Smart Anti-Theft Security System using IoT. Now we have the contents. 1. Introduction. 2. Methodology. 3. Advantages. 4. Disadvantages. 5. Conclusion. 6. References. Introduction. First we have an introduction is the Internet of Things IoT describes physical objects or group of such objects with sensors, processing ability, software and other technologies that connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the internet or other communication networks. Internet of Things has been considered a misnomer because devices do not need to be connected to the public internet. They only need to be connected to a network and be individually addressable. The second point is the term Internet of Things was coined independently by Kevin Ashton of Procter and Gamble, later of MIT's Auto ID Center in 1999. Though he prefers the phrase Internet for Things, at that point he viewed radio frequency identification, that is RFID, as essential to the Internet of Things, which would allow computers to manage all individual things. The anti-theft security system using IoT is used to protect homes and industrial enterprises. This security system is simply programmed to check the complete floor in the building to track any unusual movement. Once switched on, a single movement could activate an alarm, thus alerting the property owners about unauthorized visitors. Whenever you leave a building or house, the piezo sensor is activated to track any movement in and around the building. As a result, if any unauthorized person enters the property, the sensor will transmit the information to the microcontroller and then it changes into a signal for the camera to capture the intruder's picture. After that, this captured picture automatically sends to the user on their smartphone. Security is said to be primary choice for homes, businesses and corporations. So, having a robust and efficient security system helps us to keep unwanted intruders at bay. In the modern era, security and surveillance are important issues. Recent acts of terrorism have highlighted the urgent need for efficient video surveillance and on-the-spot notification of ongoing thefts to house owners and other household members. This IoT-based security system helps for real-time monitoring of our home or office, building and tracks out any kind of unusual movement, and also offers a real-time monitoring of vehicle movement. Moreover, a single movement could trigger an alarm, thereby alerting the owners of the property about unwanted visitors. The present research proposes a novel smart home anti-theft system that can detect an intruder, even if they have partially or fully hidden their face using clothing, leather, fiber or plastic materials. This proposed system can also detect an intruder in dark using a CCTV camera without a night vision capability. Methodology. Nowadays, robbers have become more technologically aware and have carried out burglaries using smart devices like gas cutters, smart anti-lock systems, and many more. In such cases, it is quite straightforward to disconnect a CCTV camera surveillance, which has an indirect connection to the digital video recorder and a database server residing at home. Hence, there exists a need to modify existing system and propose an intelligent system. This proposed system mainly comprises of two design steps. Initially, to provide property tracking in real time, then design mechanism is designed to detect theft and notify users of the theft. The system consists of Raspberry Pi, followed by a camera, GSM GPRS module, GPS module, ultrasonic, vibration and the different sensors. In this system, high definition HD camera is used to take photos of the thief or the intruder and then are transmitted to Raspberry Pi via USB channel. The Raspberry Pi memory unit records the user data. Image processing and detection process are performed within the Raspberry Pi. GSM GPRS module is used for communication between the owner and property. GPS module is used to track the current location of the thief or intruder. If an unauthorized person tries to drive the vehicle, his photo and the location will be sent to the owner's phone through the GSM module. The property is also logged and the electricity of the property is disconnected. Similarly, when we vacate our house or office, the PSO sensor is turned on for tracking any movement in and around the property. So if any movement is detected in our place, the sensor would send the data to the microcontroller, which then converts it into signal for the camera to snap the picture of the intruder. This picture is then automatically sent to the users on their smartphones. So coming to hardware requirements, the smart anti-theft security system which we are building using IoT comprises of following components, namely Raspberry Pi, SMI 800L GSM GPRS module, Neo 6M GPS module, ultrasonic sensor, vibration sensor for building up of smart anti-theft security system using IoT. So now what you are seeing is the picture of basically the block diagram of system architecture of smart anti-theft security system using IoT, which has Raspberry Pi, power supply, GSM GPRS module, GPS module, camera, vibration sensor and ultrasonic sensor. So this is basically the block diagram of system architecture of smart anti-theft security system using IoT. This is very helpful. When we come for the parts, first we have Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi 3 Module B was designed as earliest module of the third generation Raspberry Pi. This module features a powerful core processor 10x faster than the first generation Raspberry Pi. Moreover, it adds up wireless LAN, Bluetooth connectivity, making it an ideal solution for powerful connected designs. This updated version of Raspberry Pi comes with a credit card sized single board computer used for a wide range of applications. 2. GSM GPRS module. SIM 800L GSM GPS module designed as a miniature GSM modem can be integrated into a great number of IoT projects. This SIM 800L GSM GPRS module performs similar functions as a normal cell phone can. It can text messages, make or receive phone calls, connect to the internet, to GPRS, also TCP/IP and more. Moreover, the module supports quad band GSM GPS network, indicating that it works pretty much anywhere in the world. Now when we come to third one, that is vibration sensor. PSO vibration sensor used for measurements of flexibility, vibration, impact and touch. This module is based on PZT film sensor LDT0028. When the sensor moves back and forth, the voltage comparator inside the sensor induces a certain voltage up to plus or minus 90 volt is created. Therefore, a wide range of 0.001 Hz to 1000 MHz ensures excellent measuring performance and high reliability. Fourth component is ultrasonic sensor. This ultrasonic sensor module is used for measuring distance, object sensors, motion sensors, etc. Ultrasonic sensor HC SR04 uses sonar to measure the distance of the object. It emits an ultrasonic wave at 40 kHz which will go and bounce back after hitting an object. An ultrasonic sensor detects and measures the distance of a target using ultrasonic sound waves and converts the reflected sound into an electric signal. The fifth component is GPS wireless communication module. This is a complete GPS module that is based on u-blox Neo 6M. The Neo 6 module series is designed as a standalone GPS receiver featuring the high performance u-blox 6 position engine. This u-blox GPS module offers high flexibility and cost-effective receivers, offering numerous connectivity options in a small compact size package. Neo 6 modules ideal for battery operated mobile devices due to their compact architecture, power consumption and memory options. Now we are coming to advantages of smart anti-theft security system using IoT. The first advantage is that it eliminates the use of DVR for recording as well as use of large amounts of memory for storage. Photo of the intruder thief is captured and can be used as an evidence in the court. The user can view the house 24/7 and check whether any unexpected activities occur. This system even works in night and captures the image of the thief or the intruder even in the dark environment. Using this system is very easy. Even the person with minimal technical knowledge can conveniently use the system. This system is very efficient compared to previous systems available in the market. Disadvantages. So these are the disadvantages of smart anti-theft security system using IoT. The first disadvantage is that sometimes it is not compatible in certain smartphones. As you know that all smartphones are not of high quality, so for certain smartphones this system won't be compatible. It might be complex for certain users to get the maximum benefit of the system. So it has a little bit technical concept, so it might be difficult for certain users. It might affect the privacy or security of the user. As it suggests, it might affect the privacy of the user or security of the user. It may also be used, it might also affect the safety of the user. So safety of the user can also be affected sometimes. It is also expensive compared to previous security systems. Coming to cost, it is expensive when compared to previous security systems available in the market. Servicing of anti-theft is expensive compared to previous systems. So servicing of anti-theft security system using IoT is expensive when compared to previous systems available in the market, as the components here are slightly expensive. Now if we come to the conclusion part, this IoT based smart anti-theft and vehicle monitoring project aims to ensure the security of our vehicles, house and objects over the internet. All the components that are connected over the IoT network can be controlled and secured through your smartphone. The system includes a combined GPS plus GSM module which can track the location of the vehicle via the GPS antenna implanted in the vehicle. This is not only convenient but also gives more power to the user to control and manage household appliances from any location in the world. This IoT based project includes Wi-Fi connected Raspberry Pi module, ultrasonic sensors, vibration sensor, GSM, GPRS module, etc. While the microcontroller is integrated with the Wi-Fi modem to obtain the commands from the user via the internet. Overall, smart anti-theft security system is very useful as the users can detect any kind of robbery or theft and can call the authorities immediately and inform them, and many valuables of the user can be saved from the theft or from the intruder. This system is very efficient compared to previous system, and here IoT, the Internet of Things, is very useful. So this was basically the conclusion about the smart anti-theft security system using IoT. It has most disadvantages and little bit of it has most advantages and little bit of disadvantages. Overall, this is very efficient system, and this is the best thing available in the market for security purpose. It is slightly costly, but once the user installs it, he will get the maximum benefit when compared to other previous security systems available in the market. So Internet of Things is one of the emerging technologies in computer science and engineering. By using this, we have solved it. So when we get these things, Internet of Things will progress more people will come to it, and will develop more projects from it, and more good can be done to mankind. So Internet of Things is booming subject in recent trends. So the youngsters must come to Internet of Things and find such things more. Well, we come to references. An attempt to develop an IoT based vehicle security system 2018 by Dibyajyoti Mukhopadhyay, Megha Gupta, Tehsin Attar, Prajakta Chauhan, Vidhi Patel. Home security and anti-theft security system 2022 by T.P. Rani, Sushila Sakti, P. Kalachelvi, T. Vignesh, M. Priyadarshan. Smart security system for vehicles using Internet of Things IoT 2018 by Mithilesh Satyanarayanan, Santosh Mahendra, Rajesh Babu Vasu. Smart anti-theft water metering system 2022 by Emelion Efa, George Essa, Yao Okai, Joshua Q. Aidu. Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. YouTube, the several websites available on the Google Chrome. So these are the references which I have referred for making this PPT, and I would thank all of them for helping me get my knowledge and preparing in this PPT. So overall, in my concluding part, I would like to say that this is very efficient system available in the market. If the users buy it and encourage these products, more products will come into the market, and the customers can get benefit of it, and more computer engineers will develop this, and more our system will become secure, and it will be a safer place for us. And IoT of things, IoT, that is Internet of Things, is booming in the market, and everybody must see through it once. On that note, I would like to end my presentation. Thank you.